Make sure to stay till the end. We'll explain why it's super important to test fuses and common mistakes people make. Hey guys, welcome back to Electrical Car Repair Live. Thank you guys for watching and subscribing to the channel. Today will be super helpful video to any of you having a Dodge Challenger. If you have one of those, you have problems where your park assist does not work or the Parktronic doesn't work and you're trying to find where the fuse for the Parktronic park assist is located. Stay with us, we'll explain that in this video today. We'll talk why it's super important to always test fuses and we'll share where you can buy cheap fuses as well, so make sure to stay until the end. So before we start, let me just tell you a little bit about us guys. Every single car we get here at the garage, we try to make at least 200 to 300 free repair videos. Why we guys do that? Because our mission in the shop is to save you as much money as we can. All we need in return, please subscribe to the channel, like the video, that way we can keep making these free videos. And if you guys need to buy any parts, tools, anything for a really good price and quick shipping, check out the link in the description of the video below. That's where we get all our tool supplies from and you can save a fortune. So let's explain how to fix that now. So, it will work on V6, V8, doesn't matter what it is guys. Most people will naturally open the hood and they will try to find that fuse in the fuse box that's right here under the hood, but this is actually for engine management, it's not here guys, it's a completely different location. So if we come right here towards the back, car was in a little bit of a fender bender here, but runs and drives like a champ. We'll be fixing it soon guys. So we'll come towards the trunk, okay. You can see Parktronic park assist, okay, right here. You may have on the front bumper as well, depending on which package you have. We're going to go ahead, open it, and if we come right here now, just like that, check this thing out. Under that cover in the trunk, you have your spare tire, car battery, and here you have guys that fuse box that you're going to press that thing in, okay, in, and you pull it out. Perfect, just like that. Now, which fuse guys we need to check here for the park assist? Okay, let's talk about that now. So the fuse guys for the park assist, okay, this one will be actually okay, let me see, a 10 amp fuse, and this is very hidden fuse. I'm going to go ahead and remove that relay, okay. We'll explain why in a second, but let me tell you why it's super important to test fuses guys, and relays as well, because fuses you cannot clearly see sometimes if the fuse is burnt or not. These little ones, the ones with the glass, even you cannot clearly find out if it's burnt or not. And in that case, if you think it's a good fuse, you put it back in, but you actually put a bad fuse back in the fuse box, you will end up spending time and money, okay, on parts that you don't need, and you're just wasting your time and money guys. So always test fuses, relays. We'll put a link to a special video that will teach you how to test fuses, relays, and where to buy cheap fuses and relays from as well. And if you come right here, check this thing out. That even if you don't have a fuse, you still count the hole. 1, 2, from left to right, the second fuse, that 10 amp fuse, that's the one responsible guys actually for the park assist right here. Always make sure that the ignition is turned off when removing fuses. For some fuses you actually will have to have the car battery disconnected, and on these modern vehicles it really matters which battery terminal you disconnect and reconnect first. If you do it the wrong way, you can burn engine, computers, modules, and that can guys cost you quite a bit of money. Hopefully the video will be helpful. Thank you for watching and see you guys next time.